Hello, hello, hi, howdy, what's up? It's me, Holly. Yeah, guys, my acne has picked up, and my brother's streaming in the room next to me, so that's the screaming you hear. It's delightful, isn't it? Try living with it. I love it. It's amazing. Anyway, so got my Ipsy for this month. It's a little late because I didn't have money in my checking account. Because who keeps money in their checking account? And then some random package that I think is from Wish. It's not English on the front, but it has my name, so we're just gonna open this. I didn't order anything from Wish, so I think they sent me someone else's thing by accident. Oh my god! Okay, so I have a free adapter from an Android to an iPhone 4. Thank you, Wish. I appreciate it. Let's just open the Ipsy. I'm just kidding. We got face masks galore. We have pomegranate firming mask and acai berry calming masks. Ooh, girl could use a face mask right now. Okay, this is the back and the front. This bag is honestly really cute. Like, it's a lot cuter than the other bags that we've gotten. Like, this one, not a fan. The sports one, wasn't really a fan, but it made an excellent gift. Look, it's got a little plane on things. A cute little travel bag. Oh my god, he won't shut up. I'm sorry, I'm just gonna be complaining about my brother the whole time. Okay, so this is our go there. Hey, Ipster. I'm an Ipster. We're writing to you from a cafe in Paris. Roxette is munching on crepes, Lynette is snapping pics, and we're all soaking in this beautiful city. Blah, 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 blah. It's lovely. I love it. Okay, I'm feeling a cream. Oh, olive oil face scrub for all skin types, gently exfoliating. Ooh, look at that. It's shiny. I don't even know where I am anymore. Okay, am I missing something? Don't you usually get 5 things? Am I wrong? I haven't done this in a while. I might be wrong, but I feel like you usually get 5 things. Okay. We have a Style Sepia French Garden gel liner with diamond. Diamond what? Does it open on the other side and it's a diamond? So I think this is brown. I don't think it's black. Yeah, it's brown. Oh my god. Does it? No, I don't think it opens. What does it mean with diamond? Guys, this was made in Korea. I don't know what with diamond means. I'm so confused. Okay. And then, oh, guys, that doesn't look like the colors they keep giving me. They keep giving me brown, like pinkish browns, and you know that. This is a crayon lipstick. Let's see, guys. We can't say before we know, but guys, I feel like they're giving me a pop of color. Let me just, for all you people who don't know, I just ruined this. For all y'all that don't know, I'm gonna just show you all the lipsticks that they keep giving me. This was from Ipsy. This was from Ipsy. Oh, that's mine. This was from Ipsy. Oh, shoot. I'm dropping them. Shoot. See? Right there. Wait, there's more, though. There's more, because this was from Ipsy. This one was from Ipsy too. The rest are mine, but so these five lipsticks right here, all from Ipsy. All pretty much the same shade when they come out of the tube. Y'all, I'm excited. I'm excited. I really like crayon lipsticks. I have another one that was like 20 bucks if we're being real. It was pretty darn expensive. So I'm excited. I like crayon lipsticks. I feel like they go on really easy, and I like it. Okay. I like this bag though. I don't know. What should I use it for? Should I like, I don't know, cause like my system back here, isn't this cute, guys? This is my little makeup box. It's an antique suitcase situation. It's got my brushes up here, all this over here, and I'm going to murder my brother. I'm really going to murder him. That's my mom yelling at my brother. Okay, so this is in the lipstick bag. This is like creams and stuff. This is blush and bronze and highlight. And then this is the eye bag, because your girl's got a lot of eye makeup. And then this is my mixing cup, because, oh, there's a hair tie in it. It's my mixing cup, because I accidentally mixed stuff in there, and now it's stuck to the bottom, because there was apple juice when I did it. It was my friends, really. It wasn't really me. And yeah. And then I got some makeup removing wipes, and so that's the whole situation here. So maybe I'll use that pouch to like style up my makeup wipe situation. But yeah, that's where I'm at. This is a good Ipsy. I'm still dead that Wish just sent this to me. I have no purpose for it. Do I have an iPhone 4? No. Okay, I feel bad for whoever didn't get this though, because they've been waiting like a month and they haven't gotten it. It's like when I ordered socks from Ipsy and they sent me that Pal lip stain thing instead, and I was so confused. But I think that was my first makeup product. Y'all, if you need an adapter for your iPhone 4 from an Android, let me know in the comments below. I gotta go. Okay, bye.